And it's time for another 2014 Ontario Summer Games update. We are here with General Manager Michael Chandler. And Michael, where are we today?
We're at a pretty exciting location today. We are at the Windsor Police Training Facility at Tilston Armories. We're out on the range. You can see the range behind me here. Really fortunate that Barry Horabin of Windsor Police Services was able to bring us out today. And when I say us, I'm referring to myself and Larry Whitmore. Larry is going to be here to represent the provincial sport organization for rifle shooting, a very exciting event that we've got as part of the Ontario Summer Games that are coming here to Windsor August 7th through the 10th. And Larry's no stranger to these events. He's done it a lot of times already. I won't say how many, Larry, but he's really happy with the facility, thinks it's going to be an exciting event for us.
Are we still looking for volunteers at this point?
For sure. We could use a couple hundred more volunteers at least. So I would encourage everyone to hit the website. It's ontariosummergames.ca and click on that volunteer button. In just a couple minutes, you'll be signed up.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.